Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from the iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our watch. So, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications. And on this list, find the Garmin Connect. It's called Connect. Tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is ticked on, it's enabled, and also you can enable the allow all notifications. Oh, my bad. Allow all notifications in the notifications menu. Once you enable both, you can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the option called Bluetooth, tap on it, and here you should see the list called My Devices, and on it you should see Swim 2. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it, and here you have option called Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled. Make sure it's enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings and open the Garmin Connect application on your iPhone. So let's open it. In the app, you should see My Day page, the home page of the application. Now we can tap on the More icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. And here we can select our Swim 2 from the list of devices connected to our phone. And this is the device page for our Swim 2. Now, find the option called Sounds and Alerts and tap on it. And here find the option called Smart Notifications. Select it. As you can see, we have two options: general use and during an activity. General use is basically when you use your watch and you don't track any activity, and during an activity is when you're tracking the activity on your watch. So basically when you're recording, for example, running, swimming and stuff like that. First, let's tap on general use, and here we can turn on or turn off the notifications as the whole thing, and we can also select which notifications should appear. We have all, calls and text only, and calls only. Select the option you like by tapping on it and then go back. Next we have during an activity, and again we can turn them on or off and select which notifications should appear. So select the ones you like, and once you're done, you can close the application, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Where is it? Discord. Here. As you can see, we got the message on our iPhone and also on our watch. We can clear it by pressing the down button. Also, to open the notifications menu on this watch, you can press the up button. Oh, my bad. Go back to watch face, like this. Up button on the watch face, and you can scroll through the widgets, and one of the widgets is the notification widget. Like this, and you can see the notifications here. You can read them and clear them if you want to. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.